G'day guys, it's Lockie from Tentworld in Ferntree Gully here, showing you a really cool new product from one of our favourite brands, Zempire. It's the Eco Kitchen Kit. What this kitchen kit does is it lets you take an Eco Fold shelf system, one of our most popular shelves in store, and turn it into a full kitchen really easy. It clips right on the side here, and it comes with a removable PVC sink with a hose that lets you use the water that you've used, put it into a toilet or a bucket so you're not wasting water every time you do dishes. That has a valve to turn it on and off. It also has a 30 kilogram weighted bench space and a little side tray to hang your bin in. Super simple to set this one up. It really just clicks straight off and out and packs up really small as well. It comes with this included carry bag. You can see how thin it is. And it's a really easy way to take a full kitchen camping with you without lugging around a massive bag. You can use your existing shelf, turn it into a full kitchen. We've really been enjoying playing with this one in the store and we think our customers are going to love it. If you have an older model of the Eco Fold shelf, you may need to buy this Eco Kitchen Kit, which comes with brackets to let you attach your Eco Kitchen onto your shelves. You can pick these guys up in store now or online at tentworld.com.au.